Hi guys, welcome to our functions black book solving. This is page number 3, question number 1. Range of the function fx equal to log of 2 minus log of 16 sine square x plus 1 to the base root 2 to the base 2 is. So we have to calculate the range of this function fx. Now how to go about it? Now the first thing that you need to understand is if you have log of a to the base b, then a has to be always greater than 0. Now let us compare. What is our a? Our a is this big thing. So let us write down that 2 minus log of 16 sine square x plus 1 to the base root 2. This has to be greater than 0. Okay. Now it means what? It means this log of 16 sine square x plus 1 to the base root 2 has to be lesser than 2. This is very important. This part you need to understand. Okay. Now let us calculate the range of this particular part first. Now for that what you need to understand is 16 sine square x plus 1. What will be the value of this? So first of all, sine x lies from -1 to 1. But when you square it, sine square x will lie from 0 to 1. Okay, multiply both sides by 16. So 16 sine square x will lie from 0 to 16. Add 1 on both sides. So 16 sine square x plus 1 will lie from 1 to 17. Okay, now the basic part of log of 16 sine square x plus 1 to the base root 2. This will be root 2 and over here we will have something from 1 to 17. Okay, now the first thing you need to understand that this has to be lesser than 2. Now for this to be lesser than 2, this particular 1 to 17 can't be taken completely. So up to what part this can be taken? So this part can be taken up to root 2 square. So I will say that log of 1 up to root 2 square, root 2, because log of 1 to the base root 2 up to log of root 2 the whole square up to root 2. Now for this the answer will be 0 and for this the answer will be 2. Now you might have understood what have we done. 16 sine square x can range from 1 to 17, but we can take it fully, because if you take it fully it will cross 2, and which is not required because 2 minus log of 16 sine square x plus 1 has to be greater than 0. So the inner value can range from 0 to 2. Now let us go back to the question. This particular value can range from 0 to 2. Okay, so what we will do is we will say log of 2 and the inner value is ranging from 0 to 2. Okay, so log of 0 to 2 and log of 2 to 2. Now for this the answer is 1 and for this the answer will be minus infinity. Now always remember this particular part, log of 0 is always minus infinity. Okay, so 1 is included and minus infinity cannot be included. So our answer is minus infinity to 1. So the correct option is option B. Thank you for watching the video guys.